Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about loc repair. As you can see, I had a weak spot in my locs, and I'm going to show you guys how I was able to repair the area and bring strength back to the loc. Okay, so let's get into it. First off, I'm showing you guys the weak spot in my locs. As y'all can see, like right in that area, right here that I'm trying to point out, I had a little issue with my locs, and it's really a crazy little story. Basically, I forgot to wrap my hair one night a few years ago, and I yanked my locs in my sleep, and they were just hanging on, or that one was like really just hanging on by a thread. And I just gave it some time. I didn't interlock it for a while until the hair grew back. But as you can see, all of the hair before and after the loc is like really strong and it's healthy, but that weak spot is gonna always be a weak spot because the hair was broken. So the best way that I know to actually repair the loc for it to look seamless and really just blend in with the natural hair and your natural loc is to use 100% human hair. Like with the same technique that you would use for instant-locs is what I'm using to repair my locs. I'm taking the crochet needle and I'm using my Making Styles 100% Afro bulk hair, and I'm just filling in the area. And so now, and while I was doing this process, y'all, I didn't have a mirror, so I was using my monitor as my mirror. So here I'm just filling the loc, and I can see I still need to do a little bit of work in that area. So I'm going to keep working on it, but you guys can see already it's a huge difference. And so one of the major things that I wanted to be able to do was sort of smooth out some of the lumps that were created right in that spot to make the interlocking process easier for me. I had just interlocked my entire head, and that one loc was giving me some trouble, and I have been forcing it and going like being really careful for like the last few years really with it. But yeah, I figured go ahead and repair it because it's simple enough and it's gonna make my life easier. As you can see, I'm able to just move through the interlocking process very easily without getting caught on anything. So, and there you have it. It looks seamless, just like my natural locs. The hair blends right in. There's no wrapping, no synthetic hair. So yeah. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns that I didn't address in this video, feel free to drop them in the comment box below. Make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel and you've hit that notification bell so you're not missing any of my uploads as soon as I put them out there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.